I'ma do it like I ain't been done. I'ma do it like I ain't been done.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel again and again and again and again and again and again. So today I'm gonna come at you with a sit down video. Hairs in a bun, curls sticking out in the back, cause you know the deal, you know. So as you saw in the title, how did I grow my hair out? The number one question that I get from people on a daily basis. How do you grow your hair that long? How do you retain length? How do you get your hair like that? How this? How that? Well, now it's gonna be a video telling you all my secrets on how I did this bang. You know what I'm saying? Like how I got my hair did. Let's just jump right into the video, okay? So if you're new here, hope you subscribe, like, all that jazz. Leave a comment down below. Anything you want to talk about, and I got you. I'll reply. Follow me on my Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, all that jazz is gonna be linked down below. So I really only have a few things to tell you guys because it's really that simple. So one, patience. It just takes time, y'all. It's gonna take time. It's not gonna happen overnight. It's just what it is. You know, you can't snap your fingers and have your hair instantly long. This took me about 3 years and 7 months, and I'm still going. So yeah. Second, leave your hair alone. Now I know we live in a natural hair community that says twist out, mini twist, this, that, straighten your hair, you know, blow your hair out, braid out and all that. And that's fine. Those protective styles, you know, experimenting with your hair is not a problem. Just do it with moderation. That's what I've always done. I don't do mini twist often unless I need a break from my hair. I don't straighten my hair but once a year. And I'm not saying you have to follow what I did. It's just, I just leave my hair alone. I wash my hair once a week. I do my wash and go majority of the time. And so I do my wash and go once a week. And for those 7 days, sometimes longer if I want to push it, that's all it is. I'm not touching my hair unless I'm putting my hair into a bun or unless I'm putting my hair into a pineapple and going to sleep. I don't manipulate my hair. I don't force manipulate my hair when it's, you know, dry or brittle. You know, when you detangle, make sure it's moisturized and has slip. Be very careful with your hair. That's all I gotta do, you know. Treat it like it's fragile. If you treat it like that going in and you worry about its health and all that, you will get the length in return. If you focus on health rather than length, you'll get both. That's how it is. I know some people are like length or health, but yo, if you want the length, focus on your hair in the healthiest way. Okay, my next thing is, y'all, deep condition. I will stress this so much. I spend the most money on my deep conditioners. I spend my most time deep conditioning. I detangle while deep conditioning. Y'all, deep conditioning will really change your life. And if you make it a habit once a week or every time you wash your hair, even if it's only for 30 minutes, y'all, it will make the biggest difference. And when I tell you I've done this every week from the start, that's like all I can live by, because moisture is the most important thing. You know, deep conditioners offer so much moisture, protein, you know, whatever your hair needs. That's the time for you to do it. Let it sit and let it soak it in. That's like the nap time for your hair, to just lay there and just take in all the energy you need for the next day, y'all, for it to prepare for all the stuff you're going to do to it next. I will not stress how much I tell people, are you deep conditioning? And if they tell me no, you better start, because that's how important deep conditioning is to me. I will invest in my deep conditioners because a good foundation for your hair is always going to give you, you know, what you're asking for in return. If your hair is asking for a deep conditioner, if your hair needs moisture, if your hair needs strength, if your hair needs protein, your hair will tell you. And that's, you know, the main part for you to back up and go to is deep conditioning, because I don't know, deep conditioning always worked wonders for me. That's what I do and that's what I believe in. That's what I trust. That's what I live by. Conditioner is good, but deep conditioners, man, 2.0. So yeah, that's literally all I've done to grow my hair out, y'all. I don't take any supplements. I've never taken any supplements. I've never done anything special. I just sat here and let it do its thing. I loved every length of my hair, and I just luckily for me, it's my first time growing my hair, so each length was like a new length, and I thought I had inches even when I only had 2, you know. So now I'm just like popping. Now I'm like, this is a messy bun, but now it's like I enjoy this too. I miss my short hair sometimes, but this is all I've done to grow my hair. I've just been patient, living my life, taking care of my hair like non-consciously. Like, it doesn't take a lot to deep condition. It just doesn't. And once you make it a habit, then you'll really think it's not a lot. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how long my hair is, since y'all probably are like, is that a pineapple right now? If this is your first time here, this is day 1 wash and go. This is day 1 wash and go. And it's kind of flat, but y'all, so yeah, y'all, if y'all want to know my deep conditioning routine, how I do everything to my hair, go ahead and check the link in the bio, or the cards will pop up. I have plenty of routines on how I do that, and I hope you guys enjoyed this short, simple video. I'll see you guys in my next one as usual. Bye.
I'ma do it like I ain't been done. I'ma do it like I ain't been done.